Hi everyone, Drini here, and welcome to my channel. So the market dumps continue, and there's a very simple reason for that. As long as Bitcoin remains below the weekly 21 EMA and the weekly 20 moving average, expect altcoins to continue to bleed in the foreseeable future. So as much as it hurts for everyone looking at their current portfolio, seeing it bleed, we still have to soldier on and give you updates as honestly as possible without any unnecessary false promises. So today we're going to take a look at SPS because it's been a while since we have given an update on it. And let's dive in. So looking at SPS on a daily time frame, we are now at a current downtrend for around 55 days now. And to be honest, for SPS, we are starting to run out of key support areas. So right now, we are currently in this support range right here. Why is this a critical support range? That is because if you look to the left, this is where majority of the candles were pretty much swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low before the eventual continuation to the upside. The hope is even though the dumps continue, that we can continue to sort of hover from here, wait for the EMAs to really catch down so that it's much easier to break those EMAs, back test them as support before continuation to the upside. So if we fall from 31 cents, the next level of support will pretty much be this range right here, 28 cents. And if we continue to fall, then we will pretty much be exploring the lowest lows that SPS has ever gone to, which is the 21 cent range all the way to the 24 cent range. Given the very short update on SPS, we might as well also dive into DEC just to see what's going on. From a daily time frame, we have now officially formed a bearish cross right here. So do expect that the downtrend will continue, of course, because the whole crypto market will be down. The most bullish case for DEC is pretty much the same. You want this particular level to hold. Just go sideways for a bit, wait for the EMAs to come down so that when we break it, it's easier to break, back test it as support before continuation to the upside. So for DEC, if we map out the support levels and how low we can go, there are a couple of areas to note. One is this particular area right here of around 0.008. The next level of support is pretty much this area right here, which is at 0.007. And from there, unfortunately, this is pretty much the lows right here, 0.005. Will we go there? We shall see. It really depends on how Bitcoin does. From an RSI standpoint and a stock RSI standpoint, there are a couple of sort of more positive indicators, even though I'm not betting the house on it for sure. When we look at the RSI levels right here, it is very, very similar to when we reach the lowest lows that the RSI has ever had for DEC on a daily time frame. So this may be a potential bottom indicator, but again, I'm not betting the house on it because it really depends on what Bitcoin does. But one potential bullish scenario is this is pretty much the bottom structure that we can go to and hopefully bounce off from here. From a stock RSI perspective, it's also the same. We are currently at bottom levels. We just reached the bottom levels. If we repeat this same particular period right here and bounce off, that's another potential indicator that we have bottomed out. But once again, will I bet the house on it? No. So the major hope that we have is really we hover around the 0.008 levels and don't go down from here. Why? That is because historically, it has really been a strong level of support because we hung out here for the longest time. In fact, we were here for around close to a month. But if we break the support level, then so be it. Because if ever that we fall towards DEC's recent lows, then if you're a Splinterlands player, just think of it as a very nice accumulation opportunity. Because once the market picks back up, DEC price will also be moving up, and it makes Splinterlands purchase cheaper when you buy them in the future because DEC price for you would have doubled or tripled from there. If you like that video, hit like and subscribe, hit the notification bell. Also, let me know what you think in the comments. If you also have other gaming cryptos that you would like me to look at, just leave it down in the comments below and I'll take a look at it in the future. Until then, take care everyone. Bye-bye.